Hi, my name's Jared and I help local businesses crush it with marketing, getting more customers without expensive ads, complicated strategies, or hiring agencies. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hack higher quality Google traffic and show up on the first page without complicated SEO. Last November, Google released its biggest update to the local search algorithm in 5 years, and your Google business profile is getting better and better at putting you in front of relevant local traffic for your business. But 56% of businesses haven't even claimed their Google business profile yet. And those that have usually set it up once, putting their logo, their hours, and a few pictures, and then never touch it again. Here's the key though. Near me searches on Google have increased over 900% in the last 2 years, and it is becoming more and more relevant for customers to find local businesses. If you don't have your Google business profile or you're not optimizing it properly, you're missing out on a huge amount of traffic. Traditionally, businesses have put their efforts in traditional SEO, but traditional SEO is expensive and time consuming. It's saturated and there's so many layers to it, and you can put a lot of time, effort, and money into it with very little movement in the needle, and then the next day you're back on page 2. But if you can get your business listed in the Google 3-pack for specific search terms in your community, you're getting ahead of everyone else who's fighting for first page rank with traditional SEO. And that's the power. Let me show you a quick snapshot. These are the analytics from my client's Google business profile showing that in 1 month he was discovered by almost 80,000 people, with over 6,000 people visiting his sales funnel or website and over 550 phone calls. The amazing part is that my client tripled his business in just 1 year with no expensive advertising and just leveraging his Google business profile. So here are some simple tips to start optimizing your Google business profile. Number 1, if you haven't claimed it yet, make sure you go ahead and claim your Google business profile. You're going to want to take good photos and update those photos regularly. I recommend adding a new photo every single day to your Google business profile. This is going to do 2 things. Number 1, it's going to be geotagged if you're taking your photos with your phone, and 2, it's going to keep you relevant in the algorithm. Post regularly news, offers, and events to keep that algorithm going for you, and in my opinion, it doesn't matter as much what you post as it does that you post, because the algorithm is looking to put the most relevant businesses in that Google 3-pack. And the third thing you can do to get your business ranked higher is generate more reviews and reply to all the reviews. So if you don't have a good review acquisition strategy, you need to create a system that allows you to do that. That can be as simple as asking every customer to leave you a review, but it's even better if you can send them a link of where to go. So they don't leave a review on Facebook or on Yelp, but they are going directly to your Google business profile to leave that review. In my opinion, your Google business profile is your biggest opportunity in 2022. And if you're a local business that's not leveraging it right now, you should start today, because it's going to drive more relevant search. In fact, when you think about it, where do people go when they look for local businesses? They go to Google. So instead of spending all your money on Facebook ads, try leveraging Google. And the best part is that Google has made this a completely free service for your business, so you can get in front of higher quality traffic, the people who are actually with buying intent searching for you right now, and allow you to get ahead of all of the others fighting for first page rank with traditional SEO. Now, if you'd like to dive into more training, they'll show you the 3 secrets on how to attract higher quality customers without expensive ads, complicated strategies, or hiring agencies. I invite you to join my free training. I've got a link in the description below. I can't wait to see you there. And until then, good luck with your business.